If your Instagram message primary general option is not being shown, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First thing first, launch your Instagram app and then get logged into your specific account where you are having that problem. Now, if that button of general is not being shown, you have to switch your account. For that, tap onto the 3-bar icon. Scroll below here. Under For Professionals, tap on Account Type and Tools. You tap on Switch to Professional Account. Tap Next. Give any tagline that you would like. Then tap on Switch to Professional Account. Now you may go ahead and follow these steps shown in your screen and fill up all these information, or you can also skip this. Refresh your page. Now that your account is turned into a professional account, tap on Home icon, then Messenger icon. Then you will see a general button here. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.